Rising tensions in the European region have prompted the French Air and Space Force, AAE, to request an additional 40 Rafale fighter jets. It is said, AAE requires an increase in the number of Rafale from the current plan of 185 units to 225 units. AAE asks for certainty that in 2023 there will be an order for 42 Rafale which will be delivered in 2027 to 2030. So far, AAE has only received a few additional Rafales. It is said that during the 6 years, 2017 to 2022, AAE only received 5 Rafales. Meanwhile, at the same time as many as 12 Rafales were sent to Greece, which bought this aircraft. Then another 12 will be handed over to the Croatian Air Force in 2023.